Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and today we are going to learn how to round down in Excel. So let's get started. So key in equal sign on your keyboard, then type round down. Here it is. So we need to put in two specific items. That is the cell number that contains the value that you need to round down, and then the number of decimal places that you need to round down. So the cell number is A2, okay? Then comma. Then to round out to one decimal place, just put one, okay? Then close the bracket, then press enter. So there you go. You can see our value has been rounded down to one decimal place. To round out to two decimal places, what you need to do here is just change this value from 1 to 2, okay? There you go. So you can do this to up to the number of decimal places that you want to round out. That depends on you, or the results that you want to achieve at the end. Okay, so to round out to a whole number, that's what I want to show you next. What to do again, let's just start with the formula again. Type equal sign, then round down. Here it is. Then our cell is A2, then put a comma, then we put 0. Okay, we need to round down to a whole number, then close the bracket, then press enter. So there you go. You can see our value has been rounded to a whole number. There you go. So that's it about rounding down. um, if you found this video quite helpful, kindly subscribe to our channel and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.